Hello Seekers, welcome to Puneet's Astrology, your one-stop astro channel. Moon will make its move in the sign of Leo in the early hours of 24th of December. And the moment it makes its move in the transit of Leo zodiac sign, it will cross the Gandanta of Ashlesha and Magha Nakshatra. When Moon becomes a Leo zodiac moon, it is getting aspected by Jupiter in Aquarius, and as well as the Leo Lord Sun will be fifth from the Moon. Therefore, Moon will gain a lot of strength and power. This is the time when you will get good guidance, you will become more productive in life, you will be able to take control of your life and situations of your life, and you will gain confidence. With Saturn and Venus being sixth from this moon, you will be able to understand your enemies, you will be able to understand and rectify the problems of your life. If there is one time when your mind will be in a problem correction mode, this is one of the days where you can find yourself more useful, more productive. Just be careful of one factor. Mars and Ketu is fourth from the moon. That means you may have some concern about the health of your mother. You may have some fight in your home. There can be a repair work in your home, or you would have this strong desire to change the architecture of home, change something about your home. And it's not bad, you can try, but just be careful about the expenses. Over expectation, too much desire to rule, too much desire for promotion can actually disrupt your happiness. So there should be a careful balance between work and life, between designation, power, authority, and what makes you happy. A bit of relaxation and a bit of hard work. Some work and some play is going to be a good way to deal the moon energies, the psychological energies, when moon will be traveling in Leo. And this is also the time when your Ketu energies will play a very vital role. Why? Because on the first day, when moon enters Leo, it will be in Magha Nakshatra, and the Lord of Leo Sun is in Mula Nakshatra. Now, because Magha and Mula energies are coming into play, both are ruled by Ketu. So Ketu is going to play a vital role, and Ketu is with Mars. The time should be spent in devotion and dedication, but you need to understand whom you are dedicated to, what kind of force you are following, who is your king, what is the objective of your life. And if your leadership is good, you will see that you will be able to find yourself in a way that leads you to success. Overall, this transit of moon is a power-packed transit. This transit of moon is a transit that gives you productivity, that gives you happiness, that gives you motivation to move ahead in life. But just make sure that the motivation shouldn't be on your head always. Otherwise, you will always remain dissatisfied. You will always be striving towards success, but not enjoying the journey. It's like you are on a train and you're desperate to reach the destination, in spite of knowing that you can't do anything. You have to just sit back and relax. So in this way, you will only focus towards the end goal and never enjoy the journey. So when moon goes in the sign of Leo, enjoy the journey. That was it. It was a quick take on the moon transit in the sign of Leo. I hope you like this. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you and me can stay connected. Join me on Instagram and Telegram for more interesting stuff on Vedic astrology. And for consultations, please drop me an email. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, namaste.